It is Wednesday, November 2nd, and we got a crowd out there. They're playing bingo. It's the first Wednesday in November, so we have bingo from 6 to 7. It's a fun time. I showed you the gift things, the DIY things that we are making, and this Sunday is the pumpkins at 12:30 and the Christmas trees at 3 o'clock. So Chrissy was like, Holly, we need to show what else can be done. So what you will be doing on Saturday is making the basic tree. But Chrissy made a quick trip to Michael's or the local craft store, and she found these little lights, this little power pack and lights and some pom-poms. So I wanted you to see how you can decorate your chenille tree after you finish it. So what you're going to do on Sunday is just get the basics, and then you can decorate it with all the imagination you can possibly muster. So you name it, you can do it on Sunday. All right. So I just wanted to show you that. When I was gone last weekend, the ladies, five of my team, did the Facebook Live, and I understand that Lisa showed these mitts, right? How fun are those? And so we've sold out of this color, the Ravelry Red in Rasta. But when I came home, I found some other combos. You know I did. So I want to show you what my color combos are. This is a free pattern. It's the 220 fingerless mitts. Very simple pattern and very, very cute. And it's a combination of Rios and Phoenix from Lang. So I have some color combinations for you. So this is a beautiful brown Phoenix. And if you had your mitt in camel, how gorgeous is that? Very sophisticated. Or in the Primavera. Again, really pretty and different. Those would work. This would be the top and the cuff. This would be the mitt. So I love that combo. Then there's a Phoenix in hot, hot pink, like my lipstick, right? So hot pink. So we have several colors that would work. So this is Purpurus. So this is purples, blacks, but with that accent of pink. Could be awesome. You could also do Valentina, right? With a soft colored mitt and a bright thing. Or if you're me, you would do this incredible cyan with this electric hot pink. So these are those two, magenta and cyan, right? I love that. I think that would be amazing. Then there is a beautiful turquoise, this one. And look at this. This is Teal Feather. So check that out. That would be beautiful. I mean, honestly, you can knit these mitts up in a weekend, really? So again, Christmas gifts. I'm telling you, it's Christmas time. So here's the teal. And then last but not least, you know I had to do the ochre. But look at this, Frank Ochre. I mean, you would think they were a match made in heaven. Yes, for sure. I mean, that's amazing. Goes with my bracelet. Life is good. My earrings, my necklace. It's all good. All right, so those are suggestions for the mitts. So fun. Easy, and gifts. Come on, guys, gifts. All right, I think that's it. I will definitely see you tomorrow.